Alright, we're back at our very messy desk to rip open some blisters of Union Arena's Jujutsu Kaisen. We're hunting UGSRs right now, and that's pretty much it, I think, for the deck. Don't need anything crazy. I mean, alts will be a plus, but you know, not guaranteed in blisters. And we got some One Piece PRB to warm up. Yeah, Walmart had some starter decks, so I figured I'd pick them up. I know people need some of them too, so let's get a nice little pile over here, because why not? So far, none of them are god. Yep, no gods. But let's see what we can get in this little train of PRB. Alright. Starting off, Amaru, Kuzan, Reiju, Hamapo, Shiny Uta, we'll take that. Very good. Capone, Gavel, Thor, Luffy, another Kuzan, Beji, another Reiju, Lucci regular, Boa, Guard Point, Raizo, Suru, Kobe, Ryuma, Boa, Pilaf, Wiper, Queen, last pack, Mihawk, Niji, where are you going? Where are you going? Shockwave, Rad Beam, Suru, Niji, Kid. Alright, now Thor, Yomji. Ooh, one of these. Yeah, not gonna complain. Loose packs. He's got Kuzans. And a shiny one. Foil Uta. One of them nicer looking ones just because it pops with so much color and stuff. Cool. So that's that stack. On to the JJK. How do we open these ones? Right on top. Alright. Loose blisters. Random hits. Let's go. Ember. Maki. Dagon. Panda. HG. Facial Claps. Ultimate. Maki. Gojo. Sakuna. Action Point. Okay. Making a mess. Do we have to this way? Alright. Inu, Dodo, Maki, Demon, Miwa, Panda, Void, No, New, Gojo, another Sakuna, Toto. Okay. Getting playsets. Let's do this way. It's pretty nice. Alright. Toto, Nobara, Megumi, Miwa, Straw, Shrine, Kata, Toge, Idol. NANI? Ooh, R plus Sakuna. That's a variant of this one. Yeah. Sick. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's in the supplement deck. Alright, not bad. Well, at least have one alt in there. Ooh, another action point. Finger, Jogo, Gojo, Cliff Cloud, Non-Existent Memories, Void, Boogie, Gojo, Nobara, Panda, Action Point. It's a fun one. We have 9 of these. Yeah, not bad. Nothing too crazy, but not expecting much. Nobara, Jogo, Kami, Non-Existent, Mai, Yuji, Panda, Toge, Yuji. That's a big hit, honestly. That's a big hit. We need 2 more. 2 more. It's gonna be a short video. 3 more packs after this one. Maki, Junpei, Panda, Playful Cloud, Hanami, Domain Expansion, Nobara, Domain Expansion, Divergent Fist, Yori, alright, let's see, Ember Insect, Slaughter Demon, Transfigured Divine, Nobara, Junpei, 11th Shrine, Big Wiggy, Domain Expansion, Hollow Purple, Toge SR, 2 more packs. Alright, UG, Nabara, UG, Megumi, nothing crazy back here, I don't think. Toge, UG, Final Transfiguration, last Blister Magic. Really? I feel like someone can easily steal these. Not giving anyone any ideas, but let's see. Just Hito, Yuji, Junpei, Panda, Toge, Sato Gojo, and another Gojo. Pretty not bad. Got an alt, got a Yuji, that's like 25 to 30 right there, and some SRs that we need. Yeah, pretty good. This rip is brought to you by myself, because I fund everything. Thanks, love you, okay, bye.